Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix BeReal notification issue. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside, go to general, then tap on iPhone storage, and here scroll down until you find the BeReal app, right? And once you tap on it, here you'll be provided with the two options, that is Offload App and Delete App. Simply tap on Offload App and then start, and then tap on Offload App to start once again, right? And what this does is it fixes and clears any bugs presented in the BeReal app that might be causing the issue, right? And once this process is complete, instead of Offload App, you'll get a reinstall app. Simply tap on that, and once you do that, first close all the apps and then try again. And once you do that, if it still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just go ahead and open up App Store. And once you open up App Store, on the search bar just type in BeReal, right? And now here check to see if there is an update button right beside the BeReal app. And if there is an update button, so the issue might be causing because of the older version. So once you update it, the issue should be fixed. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.